And welcome back to the channel, everyone. So today we're going to be collecting bales. Got the plough on at the minute. As you can see, we've ploughed a paddock, but we will do a video on that soon. So I'm going to take the plough off now. And yes, you are seeing us collect bales before you've even seen us bale them. But everything's a bit muddled up at the minute, but John will film that and that will be in the next video, hopefully. But as you can see, the weather's not too good right now. But yeah, cows are going back and forth here. Obviously they can get out in as they like. But I'm going to take this plough off and then we'll be going to get bales. It's a bit hot in here. Right. And that is off. And we are borrowing a trailer because Corey's coming out to help this afternoon. So for now I'm going to hook on the red trailer and then we'll get the new one, well, borrow someone else's when Corey comes. And as you can see, our bale pad is pretty full right now. Just got a little bit to go. We haven't taken bales over the other side, so there is still a little bit of space. But I'm going to hook this one on. He's going to unload these bales, and then we'll go pick some up. So got this load, heading back with it now. So we now have 3 tractors. As you can see, Corey's back there. And we've got quite a few bales to get, spread around everywhere really. Yeah. He don't have a trailer on the back, there's no point. Not got too much space on the bale pad now anyway.
fast as fuck, boy.
So we now have one more load up here, and then we have about 8 more fields to do in Heartland. Just me and John now. All of them, 14, will fit on the trailer. And this is the last bale up here. So that is pretty much the last load back now. Still a few more to get. I don't actually know the amount. As you can see, there's quite a few. This year we've done an extra bale higher, and that stack over there was completely full. But obviously we've been, taking some bales out of there, which you still have to put bales in through the summer. Even though they're going out for grass, they still got to have some extras. Took a breath out of me, that did. But anyway, that is the end of this video. I hope you have enjoyed, and if you have, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.